Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.Exchange. Our Chennai workshop date has been decided. We were in dilemma whether to do it on 17th, 18th because that comes on around Pongal holidays. So now we have shifted to 24 and 25. So those who are interested may contact our office. The contact numbers are given in the description. So January is the right time to attend the workshop because we will be taking some positions like for December 2026 expiry sometime before the budget. So normally we take 1 year view, so we trade in yearly options. So therefore, I would advise you, if you plan to attend, better attend it in January. So that's the best time to attend. Okay, coming back to the market. So it was a pleasant surprise. Yesterday, the US market fell for 4 straight days. On all the 4 days, the fall was very severe. And then somehow the Asian markets, did not follow the US market. And most of the Asian markets were higher in the morning. So I think that we already discussed in the pre-market report. And our market also, it was almost the same. Although it opened flat, the market steadily moved higher after that. At some point of time, both Reliance and HDFC Bank, both were down. Number 1 and number 2 stocks are down, but despite that, the markets was higher. So I was just talking to my friend, so what will happen if HDFC Bank and Reliance start recovering? And that is what exactly happened. The HDFC Bank started recovering. So that is when Bank Nifty shot up. And Bank Nifty today is a fresh all-time high. And in futures, even 59,200 has been taken out. So remember, it was 48,000 sometime in the beginning of this year. Now is inching towards 60,000. 60,000 maybe another 2% maximum. So we still have enough time until December. So Bank Nifty is looking very, very bullish, not because of HDFC Bank and ICICI Bank, it's because of other banks. Since Asian markets, were going against the US trend and moving higher. So somehow the people here got a clue that, things are going to be better for US. So there was a short covering in IT stocks. Infosys shot up nearly 4%. IT index itself has shot up more than 3%. So because of this, now Nifty closed about 26, around 26,050. This month, if I'm not wrong, Nifty has made so many attempts to cross 26,000. It closed about 26,000 only once. I think the last time, October 30 was the last time, I think. Then November, only one day Nifty closed about 26,000. The very next day, because of the global cues, the markets fell. And again, just within a day, once again, it has recovered. As I've been discussing in my reports, 26,100 is going to be a good resistance. Now we are coming very close to that. So already 26,100 is a double top. I don't think that, triple top, four top exists. So if this time Nifty crosses 26,100, then the chances are very high. Nifty might take, another 200 point higher to hit all-time high. Even if it hits all-time high, that's going to be a zero return in the last 14 months. So there is nothing to be very, very happy. But having said this, our market is going against the global trend for the last few trading sessions because mostly the US market coming under severe selling pressure by bringing in a news that, artificial intelligence stocks are highly priced. But in India, there are no artificial intelligence stocks. Semiconductor industry there is no listed entity in India in semiconductors. So that is one reason. Second and most important reason is the Bihar state election results. So that brings huge stability to the central government. So that's the most important factor. And there are some news, some farm products have been exempted from this 50% tariff in US. That also aided the sentiment. So which shows that, sooner than later, some kind of an agreement will be reached between India and US. So that is also there. So anyway, the trend is up. So if you can remember, those who follow me for a long time, 25,180 was taken out on the higher side about one and a half months before Nifty became long. And even now, the Nifty is actually long. It's not short. So technically, the markets are bullish. So ride the trend is your friend until it bends, So although there may be some intraday volatility here and there, things are on the higher side. But having said this, for very short term, that is for tomorrow, it all depends upon NVIDIA results today. Today, after the US markets close, NVIDIA results are coming. If NVIDIA results are good, then if artificial intelligence stocks recover, then US markets will recover. Here, IT stocks will also recover. Right? So keep watching for all these clues. And so we do not know, the FII data is still not out. But who bothers about all these things? The domestic institutions, I do not know from where they are getting money. They just keep on pumping money, 5,000, 6,000 crores every day, so the markets are good. So anyway, so we are coming only, we have only 4 more trading sessions. So for this monthly expiry, this volatile month, let us hope it ends somewhere at the highest point of the day. So that is the hope for the bulls. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Forgot to tell you, looking at the open interest, there's no need to look at the open interest. We know that 26,000 put and 25,900 put have been added in huge quantities. So that shows that, the bulls are very, very confident. So that's it for now. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.